Five things went really badly wrong leading up to the horrible ambush on Saturday. First, the build-up of more than 200 Maoists just wasn't detected. Local intelligence didn't seem to have any information, and drones, bought for 4 million apiece, have been flying from areas which don't allow them to gather images as far away as Sukma, so they proved useless too. The second thing that went badly wrong is that there were no sweeps in the area to try and stop the Maoists from building up. That's partly because there's been a lot of criticism of the CRPF for civilian casualties in offensive operations in the area, and the CRPF's essentially backed off conducting any offensive operations at all, which has given Maoists a free run of the countryside. The third thing is that the highway should have been sanitized. That's good theory, but the police who were supposed to do it, the Sukma police station, have less than 150 men on their rolls. For them, it's effectively impossible to check this entire stretch for mines and for ambushes. The Congress leaders were traveling together, fourthly, which is a high security risk thing to do. Their guards basically made a last minute call. Either they could travel as a group and defend themselves for a length of time in an ambush, or they could have traveled in smaller groups, but then they'd have had less guards apiece to protect themselves. They made a high-risk call. It turned out to be the wrong one. Finally, and perhaps worse, there were no means to get in reinforcements. Now, there's been a lot of spending on Indian Air Force helicopters for this area, but they're basically for logistics. There are no trained troops in relieving an ambush once it takes place. Because all the roads are heavily mined by the Maoists, you can't drive reinforcements into an ambush area without risking the reinforcements themselves being blown up. So there was no way at all to relieve the ambush when it took place, which effectively meant the leaders and their security officers were left out there to die.